بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ويل لكل همزة لمزة.
Destruction is for every open slanderer, backbiter,
الذي جمع مالا وعدده.
who accumulated wealth counting it over and over.
يحسب أن ماله أخلده.
Does he think that his wealth will keep him on earth forever?
كلا لينبذن في الحطمة.
Never. He will certainly be thrown into the crushing one.
وما أدراك ما الحطمة.
And what have you understood? What is the crushing one?
نار الله الموقدة.
It is the fire of Allah that is ablaze,
التي تطلع على الأفئدة.
which will climb onto the hearts.
إنها عليهم مؤصدة.
Indeed it, i.e., the fire will be closed up upon them
في عمد ممددة.
in tall columns.
صدق الله العظيم.